BlocksCAD skills. Working with variables. As your BlocksCAD designs become more complex, and your imagination provides inspiration for even more interesting models, you may find yourself needing to use a variable. A variable is useful when you're using the same measurement multiple times. A variable is a name for a value that you can change across multiple shapes by changing that value just once. To create a variable, click on the Variables category in the Blocks menu. The first time using variables, you'll find two blocks, a variable setter and a variable value. Let's drag out a variable setter block onto our workspace. To set the name of the variable, simply click on the small triangle next to the variable name and select New Variable from the drop-down menu. A prompt will appear where you can type the name you want for your variable. For this example, the variable will be named Sphere Size. To set the value of our variable, get a number block from the Math category and put it inside the variable setter. We'll set the value for the variable Sphere Size to 30. Now we have defined a variable and given it a value. Next, to use it, we'll need a variable getter block. Click on the Variables category and you'll now see a new block that's the same shape as a number block, but with the label Sphere Size, the name of our variable. You can use this variable block wherever you would use a number. To demonstrate, let's bring out a sphere and replace the radius number with the variable value block. Since our variable sphere size is set to 30, when this sphere is rendered, it will have a radius of 30. To change its radius, we simply change the value of the variable. You'll find that this is particularly helpful when you have a number of shapes and need to change a parameter in all of them at the same time. With the variable sphere size, for example, you could change the value once and it will resize every sphere that uses that variable to define its size. You can watch this skills video again, or, to practice what you've just learned, launch BlocksCAD and start building.